Hi, my name's Logan. I'm a student physical therapist and I'm going to be working with you today. Can you state your name and date of birth for me, please?
Michael Portera, 4/14/98.
Awesome, thank you. I'm going to be listening to your breathing in different areas of your lungs. In order to do that, I'll need to touch some different areas on your chest and your back. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Awesome. So we're going to start out with the anterior apical segments. Okay. I'm going to find your clavicle. And can you give me a deep breath in? Deep breath out. Awesome. Same thing over here. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Awesome. All right, so next we are going to do the anterior segments of the upper lobe. And it's going to be low clavicle at rib 3. Go ahead and give me a deep breath in. Awesome. Deep breath out. Perfect. Okay. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Awesome. The next segment, we're going to do the middle lobe on the right hand side and the lingual lobe on the left. So find the xiphoid process. Come laterally. Give me a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Over here on that right side for the lingual lobe. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Awesome. All right. So now we're going to do the anterior basal segment. Could you sit up straight for me, please? Awesome. So I'm going to find the xiphoid process and come over to lower rib. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Same thing over here. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. Awesome. Now, if you could go ahead and turn around for me. The next one is going to be the posterior apical segment of the upper lobe. Now, I'm going to feel your trap right here, and now give me a deep breath in, deep breath out. Same thing over here, deep breath in, deep breath out. Awesome. All right, so now I'm going to do the superior segment of the posterior upper lobe, posterior lower lobe. So if I could have you give yourself a hug. Perfect. I'll find T3. Come down laterally, deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Awesome. You can relax. Now the next one is the posterior basal segment of the lower lobe. So I'm going to find that inferior angle of the scapula. Come medially here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Over here. Come medial. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Awesome. Now the last one we're going to do is the lateral basal segment of the lower lobe. So for this one, I'll find the inferior angle, and now I'm going to come more lateral and give me a deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay. Same thing over here, deep breath in, deep breath out. Awesome. Your lungs are all sounding really good, and thank you for working with me today.